All right. Here's the next kind of thing that can happen. So we've got what is the value of x for which a is parallel to b. So now we have to use what we know to figure out how could these lines be parallel. So we have to do some algebra. Looking at the two angles we've been given, we can see right away that these are same side interior angles, and so for the lines to be parallel, they must add up to 180. Just write that down. Same side interior angles. All right, so they must be supplementary or add up to 180. So in other words, 2x plus 9 plus 111. So those are my two angles. One of them is 2x plus 9, the other one's 111. Add them together, they have to equal 180. And now I just use my algebra skills. And 9 and 111 makes 120. That's just combine like terms. Minus 120 on both sides. I get 2x equals, this goes away, this becomes 60. Divide by 2, divide by 2, x has to equal 30 degrees. I could plug that back into check. 2 times 30 plus 9, plus 9 plus 111. Put that in your calculator, it sure does equal 180. That is how you can kind of use what we knew, throw some algebra in there. That same side interior angles thing, that's probably something that you want to have in your notes, because when the time comes that it's important, you don't want to have to just memorize it. Okay. Next, you are going to do one like that. So similar situation, little different situation, you know. You have to figure out what's the relationship between these two angles. They're either going to add up to 180 or they're going to be congruent for these lines to be parallel. Give that a shot. And yep, then we'll look at a few more things. All right, good luck.